beautiful. You see, Josh is like a small little one. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Whoa, that's cool.
Pull this lever, yeah, and this one folds.
And then it ups.
You can actually move the seat a little bit forward.
Yeah.
This thing goes more up.
Oh, there's so much space in here. Is it? I was actually wondering if there was going to be one. Namara!
There's so much space down there. What the heck?
I just said the exact same thing. Hi guys. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted, glitching. Hence the reason why I have to do a do-over or a voice-over with this whole part. Basically, I'm just saying that this is our new baby, and we of course closed an era, which was our old car, basically giving up, and how we're basically going to miss her. But this new one is new ventures, new journeys, new places to go, and so yeah. Gaan ik leren op die It's so pretty. Alex, no! Sitting behind the wheel. Basta van mij. It has so much space. Hi. I'm a passenger princess.
It's for real. That's what I'm on, yeah. Boy, give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you? I need to put this on.
What are you doing? What's very
Whoa!
Guys, we totally had the sweetest and kindest gentleman consultant that was helping us with the entire process. The amount of respect that gentleman had for my hubby, which of course sealed the deal, went to go fetch the car, all those type of things. Just a reminder that he went to go and fetch the car in Cape Town, and we are what, 200, almost 300 kilometers out of Cape Town. So yeah, he gave us some biltong, some wine, just as a courtesy gift.